I'll show you how to create professional social media graphics in Photopea step by step. Whether you're designing posts for Facebook, Instagram, X, LinkedIn, Pinterest, or other platforms, Photopea gives you powerful tools to create eye-catching graphics for free. First, open your web browser and go to **Photopea.com**. Click File ***, then New *** to create a new project. Choose the canvas size based on the platform you're designing for. For example, you can use *1080 x 1080 pixels * for Instagram posts, or *1200 x 630 pixels * for Facebook posts. Then click Create ***. Now, choose a background for your design. You can use a solid color, a gradient, or import an image by clicking ***File ***, and Open and place ***. Resize the image to fit the canvas and make sure it looks clean and professional. Next, use the *** text tool * to add your headline or message. Keep the text short, bold, and easy to read. Choose fonts and colors that match your brand or the purpose of your post. You can also add your logo, website, or social media handle. To make your graphic more engaging, use the **shape tool *** to add buttons, icons, borders, or other design elements. Organize everything using the *** layers ** panel, so you can easily edit each part of your design later. If your design includes photos, you can improve them using adjustment layers, filters, or color correction tools. Make sure there's enough contrast between the background and the text so your content remains easy to read on both desktop and mobile devices. When your design is complete, click ** File ***, then save as PSD** if you want to keep an editable version. To share your design online, click ** File ***, export as ***, choose **PNG** for high-quality graphics or JPG** for a smaller file size, then click **Save ***. And that's how you can create professional social media graphics in Photopea. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Photopea tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.